everyone, welcome to Label Aarti Chauhan. It's been so many months you have waited for this design. I'm extremely sorry I could not launch this particular design, though we had samples ready. But here we are with another color of the same designs. I'll quickly explain you this design, the colors and everything, and then I'll try these for you to show how does it look on me. All right, so let's see this color. This is indigo. It looks very classy, and it looks kind of very fusion kind of print, and we have made a very smart, very lovely design. As you can see, this is kind of a collar, and you have different prints on both the collars. Once I'll wear, you will understand the design exactly. You have this is a one-piece dress with 3/4 sleeves, and the length would be around 42. And yes, you are getting pockets as well. This is a very smart piece for your office wear, for your casual wear. You can style it in different ways. So I'll quickly try this indigo one for you, and then I'll try the black also, so that you can choose your favorite color. So here I am in this lovely mushroom silk dress. Mushroom silk is kind of a fabric जो अंदर से आपको cotton जैसा soft feel देता है, बहुत ही comfortable feel देता है, and it has a very nice sheen on the fabric. It has a very nice luster. It looks very rich, and yes, you can wear it in your parties, in any special occasion. And you can see this is the highlight of the design. Here we have used the solid color, and here you have this very smart combination of the collar with a little piping detailing and all, and it gives a very nice kind of a fusion look to the outfit. And here we go. It's a very nice, comfortable. I'm wearing medium size, though it is a little bigger for me, so it's gonna be kind of a regular fit for you. ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल एंटी फिट या तो लूज फिट नहीं है, just because I'm wearing one size bigger. So it's gonna be kind of a regular fit for you. Small will be 36, medium 38, large 40, 42 XL, 44, double XL 46, 3XL. We have till 3XL, and more sizes can be customized as per your orders. All right, so go for this, ladies. We have another very smart black color. I'll show you that as well. Here is a very smart black. It gives a very nice fusion kind of a look, and I'm just loving it. It looks so smart in black as well. This is hand block printed ajrak mushroom silk fabric, and it has again 3/4 sleeves, and the same design as I'm wearing in indigo. All right, again one piece dress. I'll quickly wear and show it to you. So here is a very smart black color. As you can see here, it is looking so pretty and very different. The design is very interesting. As you can see, ठीक है, length again will be 42 inches. It is mushroom silk ajrak print fabric. 3/4 sleeves के साथ में आएगा. If you want to make it shorter, that looks smarter, 38, 39 length will be very pretty. If you wear shorter one, you can make short also. You get pockets on both the sides, and a very comfortable fabric. आपको मजा आने वाला है. Trust me, it is so pretty. It is so versatile. You can style it anywhere. You can wear some golden, some chunky jewelry to make it a little casual. थोड़ा party wear भी आप कर सकते हैं. You can wear it casually as well, and you can style in that. So go to WhatsApp 7757888148. You can share the screenshot of the product and place your order. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.